Okay. Today we can go through the inbound configuration. Okay, I'll send the recordings to you.
Yeah, so
Yes. So could you know how to start the recording? The record option is there, right? Please some instance, guys. Go for the email properties. Yeah. Click on the email properties. So before going for the inbound email action, you can enable the email properties. Okay. So inbound email action. So email receiving enabled. We can enable that email receiving enabled. So then only the email comes. Whenever I send an email to the Servicenow email will, the data will move to the, so whenever I send an email to the Servicenow, the data will move to the Servicenow here. Means the incident is created here. Okay. And identify email as reply by these subjects. Okay. Whenever you can click on the reply, you can able to see in the subject, I think RE reply or you can able to find out some of the subjects. Okay, you can find out these subjects. Identify email as forward by these subject prefixes. Okay, whenever you can send an forward, we can forward any one of the email, you can able to find out FW, FWD like that. Okay, next, automatically create users for incoming emails from trusted domains. Okay, so whenever you can enable this one, suppose if we have you do not have account in Servicenow, user account in Servicenow, you don't have access in Servicenow, but you need to raise an instant ticket through the email. Okay, so just based on your mail, based on, we can send one email to the Servicenow instance. Servicenow has the one email ID. Every instance has one email ID. We can send one email to Servicenow instance here. So automatically the user account is created and the incident also created. Okay, we can enable this option. We can enable this one. Automatically created user for incoming one from trusted domains. Trusted domain means Gmail is one domain, Outlook is one domain, Yahoo is one domain, like that. Okay, just we can enable this feature means the user does not have access in this instance as well. They can send an email. Whenever you can send an email, the instance is created, and as well as they created the user account as well automatically. Okay, here trusted domains, when creating new users from incoming email, ignore email from untrusted domains unless from an existing user. Use star for all domains here. See here, they mention the servicenow.com. Okay, the emails comes from Servicenow domain, means panduranga.k at the rate of servicenow.com, somshekhar at the rate of servicenow.com. Like the particular domain only, here whatever domain we can mention, that domain you can send an email, means then only the user account is created. Suppose I send a Gmail domain. Okay, panduranga.k 406 at the rate of gmail.com. The user account should not create the user account in Servicenow. Okay, somshekhar at the rate of gmail.com should not create a user in Servicenow. So we can remove the Servicenow.com. We can give for the star, means we can send any domain, like at the rate of cognizant.com, at the rate of infosys.com, at the rate of gmail.com, at the rate of yahoo.com. Like this, you can any domains, you can send an email through the Outlook. Automatically here user account is created, and as well as incident also created here. Okay, remove Servicenow.com, give the star. Okay, these are the properties of inbound email action. Go up and save it. No, the save button is there, right? Already. Yeah, click on that save. Now open your Gmail once. Okay, now just I send an email to Servicenow instance, automatically here instance is created. So for this from From Sandigo version onwards, so the future is some differently changed. Okay, so differently changed means, so but company instance we can send an email to Servicenow means automatically instance is created here. Company instance is working, but personal instance it should not be work for right now. Okay, so just we can, how can we find out the our email ID in Servicenow means, so go for properties, email properties. Their email, wait, their email accounts is there. Right, email account for starting. Email accounts can be created and modified in the email account table. In the email properties only. Yeah, click on the email accounts. So previously here have the some email accounts is there. 2 email accounts is there. Servicenow pop-up 3, Servicenow SMTP server. Okay, right now from Sandy or they didn't create any email accounts here. In this email account only we can find out the Servicenow mail address. This instance mail address. So what is the mail address means, I will tell you. So your instance ID is there, right? Right now this home sector instance ID should be dev56020. dev56020 at the rate of servicenow-.com, service-now.com. This is the mail address. Okay, just you can send the mail to Servicenow instance. You can copy that one. Yeah, copy and go for email, Gmail. Yeah, and you can remove the dot. You can give at the rate. No, not that one. Not that one. You can give that one. The dev56020 dot is there. Remove that one. Give that the rate. Okay, this is the instance mail ID. Okay, give the subject. Just I'm selling some. Just you understand the process, guys. Okay, the personal instance, the inbound email action should not working. Okay, but when it comes company instance, definitely should be work. Give some subject. Just normally, how can we send an email? Just you can send one email. Enter the body of the format. Okay, so enter some body of the text. Yeah, like this way, just you can send an email to Servicenow instance means here automatically instance is created in the behalf of your name. Yeah.
Hello, shall I send it?
Yeah, you can send it. Go for Servicenow instance. Okay, so here automatically instance is created. Okay, so right now it is not created. I will tell you, right? It is a personal instance. The future is not available in the personal instance. So company instance it should be available definitely. Okay, so yesterday also we used. Yesterday also I worked on one of the requirement for this one. Okay, so when instance is created, so you have one doubt here. Whenever I send an email, why the instance is created, why the problem is not created, why the change is not created, why the service request is not created, why the custom record is not created? Because of why means in the back end they are running the inbound email actions based on the inbound email action script. So inbound email action working on instant table. So that's why instant is created. Suppose inbound email action will be working on the problem table means problem is created. Okay, so now we can open the inbound email action. Type left navigation is the inbound. Inbound space actions. Yeah, open that one. Yeah, wait. In the target table is there, right? There you can search an incident. No. In the down columns is there. Name active. Yeah, go for target table. Yeah, search as incident. Yep. Okay. See here, they created the inbound email actions. See, active, there are 5 is there. Out of 5, 4 are active is there. Create incident, update incident, create incident forward. This thing is there. Open the create incident.
The first one, right?
Yeah. 1 second, guys. Backend, the inbound email action is running, so that's why the incident is created. So the name should be create incident, target table, incident table is running, so that's why incident is created. This inbound email action running the problem table means problem is created. Whenever you can send an email, the inbound email action running the our first particular custom record means custom record will be created. Custom table means so custom record is created. Yesterday I did the same custom record only. Okay, the business application we created one custom table. So based on the business application, so we created the inbound email action. Okay, come down. So when to run, type should be new is there. Okay, so click on the type. See if you see new replay forward is there. Whenever you can compose the new email, this inbound email action is triggered. When we compose the replay email, another inbound email action is the update instead that inbound email action will be triggered. When we click on the forward means when the mail should be forwarding to another Servicenow instance means forward inbound email action will be triggered. Okay, so now go for the actions. Here you want to add the conditions means you can add the conditions, filter conditions. Otherwise, go for the actions. See here, based on this script only, the incident is triggered here. Open any incident, new incident in another tab. No. I will guide you. How can you open the new incident? Click on the incident, navigation, filter navigation, incident. Okay. Now press Control and click on new. Press Control and click on new. Press Control.
Create new.
Control button. Yeah, click on create new. See, other tab is open here. Like this way, if you want to open the other tab means press Control and click on that particular module. It will open another tab. Open that one. Now go for the inbound email action. See here, current.caller ID equal to gs.get user ID. Current is nothing but current.caller ID means current is nothing but the inbound email action running on the incident table. So current is the incident table. In the incident table, in the incident form, caller ID field is there. Okay. So gs.get user ID means, so what are the user? So suppose I send an Somsekhar will send an email to Servicenow instance. The email name should be Somsekhar is there. Okay, that user ID. What are the in the Gmail user ID is there, right? That user ID will move to the caller ID in the instant caller ID. Current.caller underscore ID equal to gs.get user ID. That user ID get it can move to the caller ID. So go for the instant form. See here caller underscore ID is there, but here only caller is there. So there they are giving the field backend name. Okay, right click on the caller. Go for the caller and select the caller field and right click. Now right click on the caller name. See, show, click on the show. See, you can see the field name. This is the caller backend field name, caller underscore ID. So that's why they are giving the current dot caller underscore equal to gs dot get user ID. So in this caller, so the name, the email sent to we can send an email to Somsekhar address, right? So here the caller name should be placed on the Somsekhar name, like Somsekhar, whatever full name they can kept in the Gmail, that full name they can place in the caller name. Okay. Next, go for the second line of the inbound email action. Inbound email action. Okay. Current dot comments equal to received from email dot or Gmail plus email dot body text. See, in the email, after the subject, we enter the body of the format, right? That body of the format will place in the comments, instant comments. Current is nothing but the instant table. So we are running the inbound email action on the instant table. Okay, so that the current is identified as the incident only. So comments. So what are the comment field is there? That comments, the body of the format will place in the comments only. Okay. Next, current dot share description equal to email dot subject. So whatever mentioned in the email. So I think Somsekhar sent an email to Servicenow instance. They give one subject. That subject is placed in the instance share description. Okay. So what are the body of the format will place in the comments, comment section, insert comment section. Subject is placed in the short description. Okay. So next, current, then and remaining values they set up the default. Current dot category equal to inquiry they set up. Current dot instance state equal to new. Okay. Current dot contact type equal to email. Current dot notify equal to true. Like this, automatically they set up the values. If you want to set up some extra after instance is created, if you want to set up a description, then current dot description equal to, you can write some text. Current dot priority equal to 1. Like that. Current dot impact equal to 2, current dot urgency equal to 3. Like that, you need to set up a priority and everything you want set up, you can set up the things. Okay. So finally come down. Finally, they are giving the current dot insert here. So that's why the record is inserting in the Servicenow. Okay. So just I'm explaining the things, right? Because practically, so from San Diego version, we are unable to work on the personal instance. So that's why I didn't show you. But this is the process, guys. Just you can send an email to Servicenow. Automatically, the instance is created. How the instance is created means became because of this backend email actions, backend inbound email actions. Okay. And go for the another inbound email action, reply. Type the inbound email action.
And it is not coming here. Not able to email.
Yeah. Inbound, no. Just inbound action you can type. Inbound action. Yeah. Same target table incident.
Sorry.
Target table incident.
Create incident.
No. Already created incident explained, right? Go for third one. Update incident BP. Second one is the false. Active false is there. We need to choose as the active true only.
Okay.
Okay. Now come down. See, go for when to run. When to run. Come down. See, type is reply is there. When we reply that particular email, okay, go for the Gmail. Okay, go for the sent items. See, suppose you click on the reply means, click on the reply. Reply means, so whatever content you can write some text there. Yeah,
Send it.
send it. So this reply email, so this reply is placed in the, go for the actions. See, where gr equal to current email dot subject lowercase, please reopen. Gr equal to new incident and gr comments equal to reply from OG email, please email dot body text. So whatever the body text you can send it, it is the reply will go for the comments only. Okay, so in the body of the format, whatever you can enter the reply will go for the comments only. That is the main for the 10th line. Okay, and finally you can see 21 line gr dot update is there. Okay, the comments who will be shown the 12th line. You can see if gs dot has role ITIL. Okay, so the ITL people also will be able to see the reply in the comments. Okay, so if you don't understand the script means no issues. Okay, whenever you can enter the scripting, so there you can clearly understand. Again, you can go for the inbound email actions, you can practice it. If you want experiments, again I will explain after the completion of scripting as well. Okay, so this is not as a too much rocket science script. This is not as a Java .NET. So like the critical script is not there. It's a very simple script, guys. Okay, very simple script only we are using in Servicenow. Okay, maximum only we are using service 30% is scripting only, remaining 70% the configuration. Okay, so like this, so we can replay. Okay, next go for the inbound email actions forward. Inbound actions, click on the same thing. No. Open the inbound actions. Target table, incident. Create forward incident. Yeah. So this one means, so first inbound email action, when we will send a new email to the Servicenow, the incident is created. Second inbound email action, when we reply that email, the whatever comments, whatever text we can write, that text we can place in the comments. This forward incident, we can forward an email to Servicenow instance means forward also one incident is created. How means, suppose myself and Somsekhar will discuss one issue through the email only. Okay, finally we thought that we need to raise an incident. The total email content I need to place an incident only. Okay, just I click on the forward, I mention the Servicenow instance ID. Just I send it means here the incident is created. So whatever the discussion myself and Somsekhar will discuss the email interaction, right? Total the email thread will be attached in the incident as well. Okay, go for a when to run. Type should be forward. The email should be forward means here the incident is created. Go for the actions. Come down. See, current.caller ID equal to gs.getUser ID. Okay, so current.caller ID is nothing but same thing. The whatever the email will send the name. Suppose I send the email to my name, the caller ID placed in the with my name. Suppose I send an email ID to Somsekhar mail address. The Somsekhar name is placed here. Okay, like this. Same current.comments. Whatever the body text in the, whenever you can compose the email, the body of the format is there, right? Okay, so the body of the format will place in the comments. Same subject is placed in the short description like this. Okay, finally incident is inserted here. Okay, when you compose the new email and forward the email, definitely incident is created. When we reply the email means the particular reply will go for the particular incident only. Okay, this is the process of inbound email action, guys. Okay, just you can imagine, keep in mind. Okay, so whenever you can enter into the real-time level, just you can move forward. This is, but process is the same is there. Okay, so this is the inbound email action concept. Okay, any doubts is there here?
And to take for an example, I wanted to restrict only a few users. Take for an example, I'm working for Accenture. If anybody from Accenture team, so if they can send an email to ServiceNow, those emails can be created a incident in a ServiceNow.
Exactly.
Any other users, if they are sending an email from any external email boxes in ServiceNow, it should not be created. I mean, incident should not be created in ServiceNow. So how to restrict those cases?
So external mail address means, see here. So that's why in the email properties you can give the star. Star means it is all the domains.
Exactly. Okay.
Okay. All the domain means we can send the email to from Accenture mail ID or Cognizant mail ID.
Anybody can send an email.
Email ID.
Okay.
Suppose you are working on the Accenture. The client should be, you can take as a HDFC bank. Assume that.
Okay.
Okay. There you need to mention the hdfc.com.
Okay, got
Your
it.
domain ID. Means the people who are sending the mail from through the HDFC domain only, then only the incident is created.
Incident will be
Remaining
created.
domains, the incident should not created.
Okay, got it.
Okay. That is the main thing.
Okay.
Okay. Go for your Gmail. Go for inbox. Open any mail. Okay. Now click on forward. See this. Just you can send an. Okay. Whenever you can forward to mail to Servicenow instance, for here also incident is created. Not as a composing. You can forward the email also. The incident is created. The total, the email in the down total your email content is there, right? Come down. Yeah, this email, this total content will be placed in the additional comments in incident ticket. Okay, so like this way, that composing new email, replying the email, forwarding the email, here incident is created, incident is updated. This is the use case of.
Only in reply case, the incident will be updated. Rest,
exactly.
Even in the new emails and
Yeah,
forwarded
new email
emails,
is
incident will be created.
New email, forward email, incident is created. And one more important I need to discuss. Come back. No, in the Gmail only.
Okay.
Inbox. Okay. Suppose open any email. Okay. So here directly you can forward means, so the incident is created. You can forward the email means the incident is created. Okay. Now what happened, right? Click on forward. Okay, click on forward or reply, whatever it may be. Now here we can enter the ServiceNow address. Okay. So my concept is this total email content in the down, the email content is there, right? This total email content I need to place only for particular incident, because I discuss say myself from Som Security discuss the mail interaction. The total email I need to place only for the particular incident. Suppose here I will forward means there is created new incident. I need to place this total email content in the only for the particular incident. So how can it happen? So yesterday we discussed one watermark. I show you one watermark reference message. Open the open the email logs. Emails. Yeah, open the tab. No issues. Remove that. Again, click on all. Click on all in the filter. Yeah, click on all. Okay, so you practice any incident here. Come down. Come down. Come down.
That's good.
I think you didn't create any incident here.
No.
Okay, no issues. create one new incident. Just
Only?
normally create one. No. That is emails.
Okay.
New, yeah. This one you can submit the incident. Just refresh it. Yeah, no issues. Yeah. Give some text, something. Yeah, that's it. Yeah. Save it. Yeah, the incident is created, right? So copy the incident number. Whenever the incident is created, automatically the one default notification will be triggered there. Place the subject, star subject. So whenever the incident is created, okay, star the number. Okay, whenever the incident is created, automatically trigger notification. That is out of box notification. Place that number. Paste that number. See, incident was created. One notification will be triggered. Open that email. The notification will trigger to your email. Come down. Come down. Yeah. Click on preview email. Preview email. Related links. Yeah. Come down. Here you can see one watermark. Copy that watermark. Come down. Yeah. Copy that whole watermark. Now what happened, right? So go for the mail ones. Mail. Yeah. You can paste that watermark in the down. No. You can place anywhere. After 2 orders, you enter some comments, right?
Yeah.
In the body of the text, you can place the body of the text.
Okay.
Yeah. Here you can place that watermark. You can forward the incident, means the total this content will be placed in the particular incident only. You didn't give the watermark, means definitely it should create an incident. You give the watermark, means the total content will be placed in the particular incident only. Again, that should not create an incident. That is the use case of watermark. Understand?
Okay. Whenever we copy paste this watermark, the same incident will be updated.
Exactly.
It will not be copy paste this watermark, so the
Yeah.
new incident will be created in
Created.
Servicenow.
Definitely.
Okay.
Okay. This is the use case of inbound email action, guys.
And Pandu, so users who are sending an email, they have to copy paste this watermark, or how it is?
No. They have to copy this watermark definitely. In the incident, example, in the incident, see, whenever the incident is created, notification is triggered.
Okay.
So there on watermark, you can able to see the incident is updated, notification will be triggered. Yesterday we created one notification. We update the actual start date ended. Again, the notification is created. In the incident, suppose one incident table, they're running 4 or 5 notifications. You can copy any watermark.
Okay.
You can copy any watermark for that incident. Okay, it should be updated here.
Okay. So if user is copy pasting the watermark in a email, so then again the incident will not be created in Servicenow.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. Instead of creating, it should be updating an incident, right? It should update.
That is totally depend upon our requirement. Suppose I need to update this total whole email content. Just I give the watermark. I do not update this whole. I need to decide I create a new incident. Just I do not give this watermark. I send an incident email address.
Okay.
That's it. Okay.
Got it.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Okay. So thank you. Tomorrow we'll discuss the SLA.
Okay, Pandu.
Yeah. Thank you, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you, Pandu.
Thank you.